Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I've got Prevent, Prevettee, airplane travel foot holder, well, the feet holder for the feet. This is the, well, that's strange. This is the bag that it comes in, and this is, I can get it out. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. This is what it is, and I got this because my daughter is going to go on the train in a couple of days, and she can put this underneath the chair so that she's traveling under and put her feet on so that she can keep her feet out because her feet swell too. But this is actually nice. I have one, and I actually have it. We hooked it on underneath my desk in my art room, and they're actually very comfortable and they're very, very logical to have. So again, this is the travel foot rest, and I hope you like it. There's some more stuff in here. Okay. Oh, this is the face mask. Can you put over your eyes? I can't sleep with one of these, but I'm sure somebody will. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. And I will talk to you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.